Now I'll draw the electrical connections which are centered on the trucks. They're about 1/4 of an inch in size. And I will draw sand lines, and I will use the 9/16 curve to put the curve of the sand line. And as these are demonstration trucks, they are basically, at this moment, they are done. And at this point, what I will do is connect the underframe by drawing a line between the trucks at the top of the truck, and then by measuring underneath the fuel tank at 1/8 of an inch, and then measuring in about 1/4 of an inch, right at 1/4 of an inch. Now we have a fuel tank, and right under this, right between the second and third handrail here, is a fuel filler. That's where Union Pacific puts their fuel filler. And right behind the fuel filler is a fuel shutoff valve. And basically, there are a few last minute details here. Just a couple of things that the eye kind of catches. But basically, and then up here is the antenna. And again, go over all of this, but basically your lines of the engine are now done.